Dyslexic genius here. Now I'm going to assemble orthophonic tone arm, and there's a few things you need to know. It has 3 different size screws. These big screws here, these two, go on the flange. These 2 little screws go on the back here, and the 2 bigger ones, the 2 other ones, these right here, hold this into place. What you want to do is you want to get like a scissor screwdriver, that'll hold the screw. You want to put it in some sewing machine oil, and you want to run them into the holes, in and out. You don't want to get this tone arm assembled and find out that one of these screw holes on the tone arm is boogered up, and you have to take everything back apart. So you got to pre-oil everything before it goes together. Remembering that the small ones are in the back and the big ones are in the front. So what we have to do is we have to take this ring that holds ball bearings. We get our Starbucks stopper, and we're just going to put some super lube grease on the bottom like that. And we're just going to drop that in there. Bingo. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take...
Does it have to line up any certain way?
Nope. Then you're going to take the ball bearings.
1/8 inch ball bearings?
Yep.
It fell out.
And you take the... I just put a little super lube on that. It's kind of like mashed potatoes and green beans when you're a kid.
Peas.
Peas,
Peas.
yeah. Stick them in there.
Super lube holds them in place.
Yep, super lube will hold them in place. That's much easier, this illustrious Starbucks stopper. Come on, get in there. There we go. And you're going to take this, the bottom. This is where the ball bearings run. We're just going to run a little bit in here on the underside. Remember, we fixed the pivot. Stop. Victor used a grease that clogged all this up. You take it off, it's like removing tar. There we go. We're going to take our new tone arm. We're going to slide this up underneath like that. We're going to drop this down. We get the little piece there. Drop that in. You're going to line that hole up. Right there.
Which hole did you line up?
This hole and that screw hole right there.
Okay, gotcha.
Now drop that down. That's why we pre-oil everything. It makes it go together so much easier. And I ran all those screws in and out. Lock that down, lock the other screw down. Come around, put a little drop of oil in here. Now back here on the tone arm, right there.
Okay.
Come in here with your screwdriver. Push down here like this. Oh, feels wonderful. Tighten that down. No play. And there's your tone arm, just like that. You might get a little roughness. You might have to play around a little. This one's a little tight. It's kind of the touchy-feely thing.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Oh, I was too. And that's all there is to it. Now you'll flip it around. You put the automatic stop on. You put the ring piece here together. You bring all this around and assemble all that. That's all been pre-greased. And you're good to go. Pop it in. And that's my tip for the day.